There's no tomorrow.
Assalamualaikum, hai dan apa khabar semua? Sehingga hari ini, kita telah berada dalam pandemik COVID-19 sudah hampir lebih kurang 2 tahun. Seiringan dengan itu telah hampir 2 tahun ataupun 3-4 semester kita sebagai pelajar pengajian tinggi serta juga pensyarah mengendalikan sesi kuliah secara atas talian ataupun online. Saya pasti kita tidak asing lagi dengan platform seperti Google Meet, Webex ataupun Zoom untuk sesi kuliah. Platform Google Meet, Webex atau Zoom ini banyak membantu, tetapi dalam masa yang sama mempunyai masalah yang tersendiri. Contohnya, link ataupun pautan yang tidak berfungsi. Pensyarah kerap kali perlu create atau mewujudkan link yang baru. Kemudian harus berkongsi link yang baru ini melalui beberapa aplikasi yang lain. Contohnya WhatsApp, Telegram, email ataupun lain-lain. Masalah yang kedua ialah kurangnya integrasi dengan aplikasi yang kita sebagai pelajar atau pensyarah sering gunakan, iaitu kurangnya integrasi dengan Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, Excel, email Outlook, Outlook Calendar dan beberapa lagi. Sebagai pelajar, sudah tentu kita perlu ada menyiapkan tugasan secara berkumpulan. Pernahkah anda menghadapi masalah koordinasi dan juga kolaborasi ketika bekerja dalam berkumpulan ini? Sebagai contoh, setiap pelajar membuat bahagian masing-masing. Kemudian perlu ada seorang ketua ataupun anggota kumpulan untuk mengumpul dan konsolidate bahagian-bahagian dari yang lain ke dalam satu Word document ataupun PowerPoint slide. Sebagai pensyarah, mungkin pernah berhadapan dengan masalah untuk berkongsi material seperti slide topik atau subjek yang disampaikan atau maklumat tentang assignment ataupun apa-apa hebahan maklumat kepada pelajar. Jadi, dalam video kali ini, saya ingin berkongsi satu platform Microsoft Teams untuk pensyarah dan pelajar mengendalikan dan mengikuti pembelajaran atas talian serta mempunyai integrasi penuh dengan aplikasi Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, Excel, email, kalender dan lain-lain. Dengan Microsoft Teams, pensyarah akan lebih mudah mewujudkan sesi kelas online, berkongsi material mengenai subjek tersebut dengan pelajar dengan lebih mudah tanpa perlu menggunakan third party application seperti Gmail ataupun WhatsApp. Pelajar juga akan lebih mudah berkolaborasi dengan rakan-rakan kumpulan dan mudah mendapatkan maklumat dan hebahan terkini daripada pensyarah. Dalam video saya yang sebelum ini, saya ada menunjukkan cara bagaimana pelajar dan juga pensyarah UITM boleh mengaktifkan akaun Microsoft 365 for Education dan bagaimana untuk memuat turun atau download aplikasi Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, Excel dan juga Microsoft Teams secara percuma. Saya letakkan link untuk video tersebut di ruangan komen di bawah. Do check it out sebab untuk video kali ini anda perlu mengaktifkan akaun Microsoft 365 isiswa.uitm.edu.my terlebih dahulu. Okey? Jom kita mulakan. Okay, first kali kita download MS Teams. Alright, launch your browser. And what you do is just type kat sini lah, MS Teams. Download. Go to the first link. And then actually kat sini you can see lah, you boleh download for desktop and also for mobile. So for this tutorial, kita hanya fokus kepada download for desktop. So click this one and then download Teams. So let it download. So once it's downloaded, and then you can just double click to start your installation. So I'm not going to cover how to install in this video, but it should be straightforward. Okay, so once you dah complete the installation, you just launch Microsoft Teams. So you just Teams, launch. So once you already got your isiswa ID activated, then you can log in kat sini lah. Okay, so and of course it will ask you for your password lah. So yang ni, this is the first interface that you will see once you already logged in to Microsoft Teams, right? So dekat atas ni, if you click this one, you can see your ID kat sini. Okay, untuk pensyarah, bagaimana pensyarah dapat create satu kelas, for example, right? So apa yang pensyarah boleh buat ialah klik dekat bawah ni ada join or create a team. Okay, so what you do is click that create team, and then you can create any class lah. So sebagai contoh saya akan gunakan kelas ni ya. Saya akan gunakan kelas ni. For example, saya nak letak ICEPS class 01. Then probably saya letak description yang sama. And then for privacy, yes, you go and just click private and then click next. So once you click next, you can skip this. Okay. Okay, so once you already created the class, class tu akan appear dekat sini, as you can see. Okay, sebagai pensyarah UiTM, kita digalakkan menggunakan uFuture. So what you can do next is you click tiga button ni, and then you go to manage team. And then dekat manage team ni, as you can see, tak ada student lagi dalam kelas ni, tak ada member or guest inside this class. So what you do is click kat settings, and then over here you can see team code. So what you can do here is you can generate the click generate, dia akan generate a code. You can share this code to people to join the team directly, to join the class directly. So what you can do is for lecturers, you can just copy this one and put it into your uFuture dekat kelas tu. So all the students yang ada access to uFuture and already registered into your class, they would see this, and then they would use this code to join this class. Alright. So apa akan saya akan buat sekarang ni, saya akan copy ni, and then saya akan sharekan dengan seorang pelajar, contoh. So once you already created a class, a teams, so by default dia akan create satu channel. Channel tu nama general. So general ni so dekat this space of general you can type in anything, and then all the students or all the team member inside this class or inside these teams boleh nampak lah. So for example, you can create a new conversation, so you can type something. Probably I start a new conversation. Right, so I can just quickly share a PDF file here, right? So but basically this general channel is open to everybody inside the group. Okay, so the channel general ni basically everyone in the teams can have access, can post comment, lecturers can, like what I was doing here, I can share files, and then student can reply, everything, right? So kalau lecturer nak create another channel, to say lecturer tak nak allow untuk conversation to be posted, student to share files and everything, right? So what lecturer can do is lecturer can create a new channel. So how to do that? Just go to this three button, click add channel, pengumuman, dan tugasan, right? And then I just click add. So dekat privacy ni, yes, we want everyone in the class to have access to this channel. However, yeah, we want everyone in the class to have access to this channel, right? Okay, you just click add. Okay, once you dah create, once this channel has been created, what you can do is for lecturers, right? For whoever that created this group lah, these teams, right? So apa dia boleh buat ialah dia klik dekat sini and then manage channel. So, apa dia boleh buat kat sini ialah dekat channel moderation ni, what you do is you click on, okay, who are the moderators. So by default, whoever created this teams becomes the moderator, which is the team owner. So right. So let's say pensyarah tu tak nak students to reply to this channel, because this channel is specifically for pengumuman and tugasan only, right? So what the lecturer can do is untick this one. Yeah, so channel pengumuman dan tugasan has been created and only the lecturer or the team moderators for these particular teams have the capability to create a new conversation. Okay. Jadi lecturer juga boleh create satu channel di mana dengan channel ni lecturer boleh schedule meeting or the online class, right? So dekat dalam channel ni probably okay, so first you lecturer boleh klik kat sini and add channel, and then probably kat sini jadual seminar for example. Okay, everyone in this group should be able to access this, and then you click add. Right, macam juga yang channel pengumuman tadi, lecturer tak nak bagi all the students to have access to this channel. I mean, correspondent to this channel, they can only read only or view, right? So macam biasa, dia kena pergi dekat manage channel and then switch the moderation on and then probably untick all of this, right? One dah unticks all of this, and then what lecturer can do is dekat jadual seminar channels ni, you can see here channel jadual seminar, and then dekat sini ada meet. So the lecturer what can do is schedule a meeting, or schedule a class. So take one for example, seminar 1. Seminar 1 is, if I'm not mistaken, 23 hari bulan. For example, criminal law, kelas pada setiap hari Sabtu, right? Kelas bermula pada 23 hari bulan Oktober. Kelas bermula pukul 8 pagi sehingga 11 pagi. Kelas ISEP selama 3 jam, ya. Okay. Then all day. Okay. So attendees kat sini you can just leave it blank because I'll tell you later. So by default, right, jadual seminar ini akan dihebahkan di channel kelas ni, di channel jadual seminar. So probably sedikit maklumat sini, seminar 1. Okay, once dah done, all good, and then click send, right? So what it will do, right, dekat sini automatically at the jadual seminar punya channel, this post will be automatically here, right? So all the students can see here. So when it comes to the class itself, hari Sabtu 23 Oktober, so what they can do is they can just click this link and then join the class, right? It's that simple. Join the class, right? Okay, so and then lecturer juga boleh automatically buat untuk seminar 2. Seminar 2 is 6 November. Kelas pukul 8 pagi sehingga 11 pagi. So by default dia akan this meeting would be posted dekat jadual seminar punya channel, And then again, lecturer can put in some notes lah kat sini. Okay, so this is very good for lecturer because macam saya cakap tadi, this channel jadual seminar, only lecturers can post here. So basically this conversation would not be lost because it will only be here because only lecturer can post to this channel. Not like general channel yang mana students boleh correspondence among each other, and also can lecturer also can participate in the communication. But however for jadual seminar punya channel is only the lecturer can post an announcement or anything, right? So for in this case, the lecturer is scheduling a class for seminar 1, seminar 2, and also probably seminar 3, right? Right, and then click send. You see? So every time there's a class, the student, what they need to do is they log into their teams. They can come to this channel, jadual seminar, and then pick the correct seminar. For example, seminar 1 is today, or maybe next week, 2 weeks after that is seminar 2. They just click seminar 2, and then they join the class. They click join. Cara untuk pensyarah mulakan kelas dan juga pelajar join the class adalah sama. So bagi pensyarah, just click the test class and then click join, right? So this is also applicable, same for the students dekat dia punya interface lah. So over here we can see the camera punya function. You can turn on, turn off the camera. You also can change your background over here. So you have a few background that you can choose from here, and you can also add your new background if you want to, right? And then over here, ada computer audio, and then you can mute your you can mute the mic, and then you can control your speaker speaker level. So as a pensyarah, saya mulakan kelas, so I just turn on my mic. Okay, so I join the class. So this is the Microsoft Team punya class, right? So if you click on top ni, kita ada show participants. So you can, if you have like 30 people in your class, so you can see all the names of 30 people over here. But however, they are still not joining the class. For example, kat sini kita see Mustafa have not joined the class. So bila dia join the class, dia akan nampak kat sini who are the participant in the meeting itself. Okay, so here you can see Mustafa already joined the class. Thank you, Mustafa, for joining the class. So basically once we because this is the demo, so basically once all the student is already joined the class and the lecturer wanted to start the class, so basically I'm going to show here how the lecturer can proceed with the class. For example, I have here is a slide that I'll be demoing to the class. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go here to this icon over here, share content, and then I'm gonna click this icon. So I'm just gonna choose, okay, over here you have a few options. You can share the whole screen, ataupun probably you just wanted to share that particular slide. So if you want to just share that particular slide, what you can do is you go down here, select window, and then you scroll down, and then you search for the application or the Microsoft PowerPoint that you wanted to present. So here I'm going to present this slide. Okay, so I already put on my PowerPoint slide on a presentation mode, and then I can go back up to the presenting option, and I can select whether I want to use send out or I can use side by side. So let's try the stand out. Right, so once you click stand out, another pop-up window would come out here. You just need to maximize it, And then this would be the screen that the students from the other side can see, right? And then we can proceed with the class. So however, for presentation purposes, the lecturer have to go back, have to minimize this screen and then put it away, or minimize, and then come back to the presentation slide and start presentation, right? So for example, I'm right now I'm using my cursor. I'm using my arrow key on my keyboard to travel through my slides, right? So I'm going to deliver all the content, and the content of the slide, at the same time. The student can see the slide and also the video of myself. So this would create a more engaging class, right? Okay. So if you can see here, if I choose the standout option here, my camera is actually overlaying some of the wording or the content of the presentation slide that I'm trying to deliver right now. So this might be a distraction a little bit to the students. The student might not be able to read the complete sentence from the slide. So here what I can do is, on the fly, I can go back up to the mode here, and then I can switch to side by side. So what it will do is, side by side. So it will position the camera on the side and then the slide on the other side. So this would be another option for the lecturer to be, can present the slide with the camera on. Okay, so once the class has already ended, the lecturer can click on this leaf, probably click, and then click end meeting, and then confirm the end meeting. Okay, so the lecturer would have can see other attendance report dekat sini. This is automatically generated. I'm going to show you how the report looks like. So this is the attendance report from the class just now. So this is very, I think this would benefit the lecturers. So the lecturers actually can see how many students joined the class, what time they joined the class, and what time did they leave the class as well. So as you can see here, myself, Nozaini, has been in the class for 20 minutes. Mustafa, I joined the class at 11:52 p.m. and he stayed on for 17 minutes. Jadi itu saja untuk video kali ini. Saya harap this is useful for lecturers and as well as students. Saya akan cover bagaimana MS Team integrate with Microsoft Office application macam Word and juga PowerPoint in my next video. So if there is any topics or idea that you guys want me to cover, please do let me know in the comment section below. So I see you guys in the next one.